focus. Like, you know, like 3 minutes, 2 minutes Q&A, it's easy enough like that. Thank you. And yes, at this point, I just want you guys to all think about the part people did over the last 10 weeks. Think about the hard work you did today and about how you want to show who you genuinely are as well and impact the new business to make people. Because at this point, it's not something that is so fantastic, right? Is that you want all users positive friends. Do you have a chance for Sophia to say a few words to encourage us all?
Say I'm so happy that this was possible. And that I'm really happy that I can help you all last 10 weeks. Confidence and showcasing yourself in the world, and we all are very passionate about genuinely helping the environment and the planet and society in a better place. And that's what I'm so motivating. So help you guys with. So I'm really proud of all of these for sticking with it, and good luck. So your demos.
Yeah. And one other thing. Yeah. I want one word to describe the emotions you feel about Soundcast. Yeah. Anxieties. Okay. Go. Anticipation. Yes.
Glory.
Lit. Yes. I'm super excited. Yes. Okay, come here. Now let's all go in. We're gonna put our hands together. Okay, let's say impact on 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Impact. Okay.
Thanks everyone for joining tonight. This is the Tavern X Propel Social Impact Cohort Demo Day. 10 weeks ago, we started a program and we had amazing founders and ecosystem builders participating. One reason that social impact is important to me is just it feels like the world is crumbling, and bringing together people who are trying to solve the most critical problems of today is the way to try to fix things. And Propel's mission and Tavern's mission align in that capacity. So with that, the founders have worked very hard. I'm excited for this evening, and I'm going to pass it along to helps run the cohort and is a part of the Propel team.
You bet.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone, for being here tonight. I'm Sophia Smith, the president of the NYC Social Impact Cohort, along with Stephen Michael. We're going to be presenting 9 founders who went through 10 weeks of programming with us. And we're all very proud of the progress that we're made and very excited to showcase them here with you guys tonight. Woo! Yeah.
So a little bit of context, just for all of you here. The point of Propel Earth and for Tavern as well is to make as much impact as possible, really. I know Benji himself has a giving pledge of 30% of his income towards impact initiatives throughout his life. And Propel specifically works with impact-focused founders, investors, change makers, and service providers to support them as they grow and scale their businesses. And we work as 2 ways. We work as a social network, bringing people together like this, and also as a venture studio. And this is a really big milestone for us because we finally have our first cohort of teams presenting, all 9 of them. And so I'm going to do a little bit of showcasing for you right now. If you're able to, about a little bit. We have right here, explore the showcase. If you can scan the QR code, it takes you to a page directly with all of the members of the cohort, directly listed out in order, which is great. You can view their pitch deck, you can see their marketplace listings, etc. We built out the website to sort of be like a one-stop shop for impact so that you can share your needs and from there actually get global challenges solved together. So yeah, I will show you guys that now, and then we're going to start off with Aurora, but just give me a second. So as you see here, we have all the founders today that are presenting, like Jackson, Avon, Veronica, Aurora, Dimitri, Raven, Dylan, Moshe, and Zambar. And you can see a little bit more about each of them, their pitch, their website, their LinkedIn, their deck, and some of the impact metrics specifically. what the change that they really want to see in the world is. If you want to help them in any way, please reach out. Once we finish, it's only going to take probably about an hour. I'm going to send all the founders to the very back area over there. After we take one big picture together, which will be very nice. So yeah, I'm excited to start us off.
We're going to hand the microphone so they can each have a quick introduction. So please.
Hi, good evening. My name is James Dunn. I work at Civic Hall. Civic Hall is a fantastic mission-driven building down in Union Square, New York. And we host a lot of events. We bring people together for membership. And we also do digital skills training. And it's all about great companies like this. So we're very happy to be here and support.
Thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. My name is Portia Sichong. I'm a director of Green Project Management. We are helping mostly project managers or anyone to be able to execute their projects and their initiatives in a more sustainable manner.
Woo! Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jane Diaz, strategic advisor. I have my own consulting business and I help startups scale up, recruiting, strategy, operations, bookkeeping, whatever you need. So excited to be here tonight. Good luck.
Hi everyone, my name is Jean-Pierre Henderson. I represent the family office. I'm the first corporate CEO that's been appointed as a seventh generation for my family. We have the four brothers on my father's side as the sixth generation. With the passing of my grandmother, she was fifth generation, but introduced me as the seventh generation. We focus with a portfolio around 15 operating companies. Most of those were created as initiative, led by our family members as startups where they had ideas. So we come from basically a venture perspective, and we've had some of those startups that's gone through multiple generations as well. I think the oldest has been into the fourth generation of that particular family as part of our family. So we're really proud of that. We've been able to be very positive on the cash flow. All of our portfolio doesn't have outside debt or investment. So we've been able to procure it in a very amazing way. I'm excited to learn more to that. I'm a founder as well. I have a business I started up at the beginning of this year that doesn't fit within my portfolio mandate of my family office. So I think I can, understand from the shoes of the founders here and understand what they facing. I'm 4 months old now, so it's been really amazing to experience that with my team. So I look forward to learning a bit more.
Thank you. Thank you again for joining us tonight. And we're going to be starting off with Aurora.
Aurora,
Thank you for being here today. To your amazing hosts. This is my team here at Evermind. And just for fun, I have a picture of us holding a white turd because why not? This is also a team that's built a product that has gained over 100,000 users in 3 months. My name is Aurora. I'm going to introduce you today by showing you some of my ChatGPT histories. So question number 1 I've asked, are furries just animal lovers or what does that mean? How do I legally evade taxes? And of course, to my investors here in the room, please close your ears for this part. What is 14 plus 12? It already has all these data on me and all of yours too. So, and I know all of you have used it for much, much worse things than this. And I know you're not reading the privacy policies on websites. Just so you can continue doing that, we built a product that is 100% private. So that you don't have to take my word for this. We've gone ahead to be third-party verified to be the only consumer AI that does not retain or even collect user data. So I'm going to go ahead and show you our product here. So we launched this March. Alrighty, and if you go to our chats, I've asked it for a photo of a beautiful Greek god and a Greek goddess. Now, just for comparison, if I'm going to ask one of the most uncensored models out there we have, which is Grok. When have you ever seen a Greek goddess wear that much clothes? Right. That is not accurate. They're smart enough to know that that's not what, a Greek goddess looks like, but they're not brave enough to show you because they shy away from the human body and they like to censor. So in addition to that, we have AI characters. So these are all user-generated content. We also have a social feed, as well as a music generation feature. You can see here our user has posted different music. Yeah. We have a voice feature, my favorite one.
Hey there. I'm here to help you with anything you need.
The an Asian lady, she has an Asian accent. I told my teammates just model it after me. But yeah, everything is 100% protected. Given the traction that we have, a lot of our $1 million, billion-dollar companies are starting to notice us. And we're looking to raise our seed now, given the limited funding that we have already beating them to the punch. So if you're interested, please chat with me in the back. Thank you.
Awesome. Now start 2 minutes.
And still. Right then back with the basic revenue model.
So we have a couple of different revenue models. Number one, on our consumer side, we have the freemium model. So you can try for free and you can upgrade as you go to get more usage. In addition to that, we also have tokens for higher inference powers. And we also have a B2B side of the business that's launching this week. We have an API that's coming out to businesses. Yeah, that's it.
Very much.
Why did you acquire the users?
So most of our marketing budget went into organic marketing. So this is through social media. And because our brand is just so out there that we collect 0% of user data, I think it's very helpful in terms of just getting viral and making a statement. So we attracted a lot of our users through word of mouth, actually.
So what's the best use case outside of data protection for your LLM? Like how we go to Claude Design for design work. Well, why would I go to your platform?
So this is, we have a couple of ICPs. So number one, these are high value individuals who care about how their data is being used, right? So for example, if you look at the questions we're asking every day, you're telling it your health data, your financial data. And big AI companies, they're protecting enterprise data, right? They're not training on enterprise data, but they do not do the same thing for consumers. So to give you a use case, if you think about Propel, what they've done for Gmail, for email, right? If you think about Mozilla, what they've done for browsers, and DuckDuckGo, what they've done for search. So we are the counterpart to that in generative AI. All of these companies are billion-dollar companies today. So that is the vision.
Yes. One more question right here, and we're done.
It's sort of a multi-part question. Do you measure user retention? How do you measure it, and how is that doing?
Yeah, our user retention, we measure churn with our payment providers as well as post-op. I think it's doing pretty good compared to comparable companies.
Thank you very much, Aurora.
Thank you.